you can't discount this. If things don't go well, I'll tell you this, as long as you're hustling, as long as you're working, as long as you're pushing, you won't go poor, you won't go hungry, but you will never go rich as long as you don't know how to leverage. Hi guys, this is Marvin Germo. I'm still here in Taiwan. I want to talk about streams of income. People have this notion that, Marvin, should I quit my job to invest and just go full-time in the stock market? That's well and good and it can be done, and you can make money by just trading the markets every day, day in and day out. That's one of the best things that you could ever do with your money. However, here's the thing. Why limit your source, your channel, your stream of income to just one? You can make a lot of money by creating multiple sources of income. Each rich person, each person that knows how to leverage and make their money work hard for them, have different streams of income spanning from either their job or something that they're really good at, their skill set, something that's active still. But here's the thing, if you rely on your active income, you rely on just one stream, one source, one channel of income, the problem there is this, you will get tired. The problem there is this, you cannot work day in and day out and you're just using your skill, your ability, you are not leveraging. The difference that makes the rich richer and why do they take their finances to the next level is they know how to leverage, they know how to stockpile assets as well. My suggestion to you is this: from what you are doing, from your skill set, either you are an entrepreneur who's self-employed and really there's no systems yet, there's no set of employees yet that are pushing and making the business grow, my suggestion is that you build different streams of income. Don't limit it to one. A style that you can do is this: look at and try everything. People ask me what's the best investment. Go for everything. As long as it's legit, go for every investment out there. Why? As you start going for it, put a small amount of money in each first. Bonds, stocks. Separate your stocks also into trading and investing. Separate your stocks also from Philippine stocks, US stocks, Singapore stocks, or other markets out there. Then diversify into mutual funds. Then if you have more money, go into real estate, buy gold, buy commodities, buy cryptocurrencies, start your own business. You need to at least have 4 sources of income that are not related to each other. That's the goal, that's the heart, that's how you win. Why? Because when you have businesses or you have investments that are unrelated to each other, it will allow you to have not just cash flow, not just capital appreciation, not just passive income, but it will allow you to hedge if things are not going so well. Meaning, if inflation is high and you have a business that's spitting out money above and beyond above and beyond how high inflation is, you will still win. However, for example, if the economy turns sour and your business is heavily affected by it, as long as you have those bonds that will give you passive income, as long as you have those rental properties as well that will give you passive income, as long as you have those preferred shares and stocks that are giving you high dividend yields that will give you passive income, you're supposed to be okay. But also, you can't discount this. If things don't go well, I'll tell you this, as long as you're hustling, as long as you're working, as long as you're pushing, you won't go poor, you won't go hungry, but you will never go rich as long as you don't know how to leverage. So now, segregating everything, you need to hustle. You need a hustle business, a hustle skill that will earn you a lot of money. That's one. Number 2, aside from that hustle skill, you need to develop businesses that will spit out a lot of money over and 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 over repeatedly, that will make you win. That's something that could give you growth. That's something that could give you the ability to raise your finances higher. What's nice about businesses is this: 100,000 investment in bonds will probably give you 5, 6, 7, 8% yield, less taxes pa. In the stock market, if you go for preferred shares, it will almost give you slightly higher returns than that. But if you trade it, you can double it, you can earn 50%. It depends already on the skill that you want to put, or the skill and the amount of timing also that you're putting into it. But in business, for a smaller amount of capital, the yields, the results will be much bigger. Why? Especially if you're selling something, the markups there are bigger. What my suggestion is this: you can buy something, then sell it for a certain markup. Especially if your margins are good, it will give you a larger amount of money. But if you create something that has value, please remember, anything that you give that has value, that's where the money is made. That's what can make you rich. So suggestion, try to find something that creates so much value in it that people will be willing to pay it even at a higher price. So that's it for now. Don't limit your money, don't limit your earning capacity just to one. Build as much streams of income as possible, because that's what's going to make you rich, not just now, but that's what's going to make you stockpile a certain number of wealth over a period of years. And why am I saying this? Because there is a reason for you for prospering. You are prospering because you will be a blessing to a lot of people around you, and it's time for good people to have the cash. It's time for good people to have more than enough. Why? Because I know if you have the cash, you have more than enough, you will make a difference in the world around you. So this is Marvin Germo in Taiwan. I hope to see you in our next events. I'll be in Davao, Dubai, Singapore, and Manila before we close the year. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.